Hey guys, this is 2300 Cunningham. This is the beautiful front yard on a beautiful afternoon. It needed some blowing, so my knight in shining armor came out and blew off the front porch for me, and all of the sod and all of the landscaping has been replaced, and the whole yard, front and back, has been leveled out. This is the beautiful front yard, and the front door opened up to all of this gorgeous white oak flooring. It is real wood, folks, so when you walk in, it smells of new wood, real wood floor. It's so lovely. This is the front bedroom with a lovely closet right next to the laundry room and an extra linen closet. This whole home has been practically rebuilt. The dishwasher, stove, and microwave all have the warranties. They're brand new. While you're doing some dishes, you have a lovely view of the backyard. Silver and white and black marble are all throughout the kitchen. So pretty. There's your pantry for all of the food. And then this is the main bedroom. This is the hall to the other third bedroom. So we're going to walk through the main bedroom and look at this giant closet. Here is the main bathroom, the main double sink. That's me. Hello. Thanks for watching. All of the tile, the entire house has really been renovated in such a lovely way. Consistent floors all the way through. Now we're going to take a step into the guest bathroom. Oh, that is my favorite vanity, with a little barn door and then hexagon tile in the showers, y'all. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. So pretty. So then we're going to take a step out of the guest bathroom and into the front bedroom, little guest bedroom that is rounded walls all the way through the house. Lovely hardware and brand new fans. And everybody wants to see what they're looking out at, and that's your front yard. Brand new sod, brand new landscaping, brand new floors, brand new roof. All the plumbing and all of the electrical have been redone. From the front door, if you wanted to walk straight through the house, you could go to the back door, and here is the brand new deck. Hardie Board all over. Ooh, it sped up there, didn't it? And then this is the tough shed, so all of your yard equipment and anything extra is all right here. So here is your beautiful tough shed, all the way out here to your brand new sprinkler system and brand new HVAC. It's still got the tag in there. It's a Carrier. And then you've got this lovely backyard to play in, y'all. Thank you for watching.